Srini Rajan, Chairman and CEO ETM Systems, distinguished judges, guests, and dear friends. Good morning and a very warm welcome to HP Innovate. It's a great privilege to have Srini with us here and have an opportunity to learn more about the success of ETM Systems. There are very few people who are ordained to reach the stellar heights of success, and those who combine vision coupled with passion for excellence do leave footprints behind for generations. HP as an organization has a very strong legacy of entrepreneurial culture, innovation and experimentation, and has grown to be the largest IT company in the world. Building upon this tradition, the HP Innovate
conceptualized as an integrative effort of various HP India entities such as Open Innovation Office, Global Delivery Application Services, Systems Technology and Software Division, Human Resources Team, Corporate Communications Team, Personal Systems Group and Technology Solutions Group, ProCurve, IPT R&D Hub, HP Education. So it was a collaborative effort of numerous entities from within HP, and a very esteemed external partner is Indo-US Science and Technology Forum. Dr. Arabinda Mitra, Executive Director for IUSSTF, and Dr. Smriti Trika have been very supportive of this initiative and are funding the travel and accommodation for the winning team to visit the HP labs at Palo Alto. To give you an insight into HP Innovate, it is an annual event which has been instituted by HP India. The objective is to recognize and award outstanding and creative ideas of young engineering graduates in India. The intervention was conceptualized last year, and we began implementing the same in December 2007. There were initially 382 students who participated across 56 institutions to submit abstracts in 17 different technology areas. The themes ranged from image processing, internet-based communication, network security, cryptography, multimedia and gaming, network security, and embedded technology. 80 technical papers were submitted, and top 10 papers were selected for presentations. Each paper was double blind reviewed by technical experts from HP India and Palo Alto, and academic institutions such as Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati, NIT Surathkal, and ANSALS, among many other institutions. The final presentations, posters, and prototypes were reviewed by a panel of 5 eminent judges: Dr. Sandeep Sancheti, Director, NIT Surathkal, Dr. S. Ramani, earlier Director, HP Labs India, and Professor at IIT Bangalore, Dr. Chidanand Gaurav, former Vice Chancellor of Kuvempu University, and ex-Professor SGCE Mysore, Dr. Gurur Srinivas, Enterprise Architect at HP's Global Delivery Application Services, Mahesh Nanjundaya, R&D Manager at SDSG. They reviewed the work very patiently, and the work of top 10 teams, and the entire day yesterday with a lot of enthusiasm. We had very wonderful and energetic participation by the budding young engineers who traveled from all across the country to be here with us today. We hope that this has been an extremely enriching experience for all of us here. The HP's Open Innovation Office, along with SDSD and GTAS, will continue to contribute to the education ecosystem by fostering meaningful research alliances, contributing to curriculum development, innovation, and addressing issues which impact customers, communities, and businesses. We look forward to working with you to contribute meaningfully to our ecosystem with various technologies which will simplify life and create better experiences for us as a society. Thank you all, and a very warm welcome once again. Thank you.